Education is the foundation of society, and religious education makes our character, faith, and the moral values. Along this, modern education empowers us with knowledge, skills, and the ability to progress in today's competitive world. A balanced combination of both is essential to build responsible individuals in today's era. So, to tell us the detail on this important topic, respectfully, I am inviting our student whose name is MD Moinuddin. Please come on stage and deliver a speech about the importance of religious and modern education. Muhammad Moinuddin.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لأهله والصلاة لأهلها أما بعد. فقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم: طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم. Respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear brothers and sisters, education is a great blessing from Allah Almighty. It is the light that removes the darkness of ignorance and guides humanity towards truth and success. In Islam, education is not just a need, it is a duty. The very first word revealed in the Quran was Iqra, means read, which proves that Islam is the religion that laid foundation of knowledge. Islam teaches us that education have two types. Number one, Dini means religious education, and second, Dunyavi means modern education. Both are essential for the development of a balanced Muslim personality. First, we know about the importance of religious education, because religious education connects a person with Allah and His Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It teaches us the purpose of our life, the difference between right and wrong, good character, patience, honesty, modesty, and justice, responsibility toward parents, neighbors, society, and humanity. Religious education, the heart becomes empty and life loses direction. Knowledge without faith becomes pride and distribution. That is why the Prophet ﷺ said, خَيْرُكُمْ مَنْ تَعَلَّمَ الْقُرْآنَ وَعَلَّمَهُ. The best of you is the one who learns the Quran and teaches it. Without religious education, predicts our faith, shapes our characters, and guides success in this world and the hereafter. Respected teachers, let's know about importance of modern education. Islam does not oppose modern education, rather it encourages it. Our history proves this. Muslim scholars like Ibn Sina, Al-Khawarizmi, Ibn al-Haytham, and Al-Bayruni were the era of science, mathematics, medicine, and astronomy. They served humanity because they combined deen and dunya. The Prophet ﷺ said, أَلَا كُلُّكُمْ رَاعٍ وَكُلُّكُمْ مَسْئُولٌ عَنْ رَعِيَّتِهِ. You are all shepherds, and each of you will be questioned about our responsibility. My dear friends, so shortly we can say that religious education teaches us faith and difference between right and wrong. Also, religious education purifies our hearts. In the end, I wanna thanks for you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.